Source: Equinox Gold Corp. Vancouver, British Columbia, July 30, 2018. Globe NewsWire. Equinox Gold Corp. TSX-V, EQXOTC, EQXGF, Equinox Gold, or the company, is pleased to announce that it has obtained a final order from the Supreme Court of British Columbia dated July 30, 2018 to implement the company's previously announced plan of arrangement, the transaction, to reorganize its business, including the spin-off of its wholly owned subsidiary, Solaris Copper Inc. Solaris Copper. Substantially all of the terms and conditions of the transaction have been met, including shareholder approval of the transaction on July 26, 2018. Pursuant to the transaction, the owners of common shares of Equinox Gold will receive one new common share of Equinox Gold for each common share of Equinox Gold held on the day before the effective date of the transaction, and 1/10 of a Solaris Copper share for each common share of Equinox Gold held on the day before the effective date of the transaction. It is expected that the effective date of the transaction will be August 3, 2018. For further details, please refer to the company's Management Information Circular dated June 20, 2018, which is available under the company's profile on SEDAR at www.sedar.com. On behalf of the Board of Equinox Gold Corp. Christian Millau, CEO. This document contains forward-looking statements within the meaning of applicable securities legislation. The use of the words will, expected, and similar expressions are intended to identify forward-looking statements. Forward-looking statements reflect management's current beliefs, expectations and assumptions and are based on information currently available to management, management's historical experience, perception of trends and current business conditions, expected future developments and other factors which management considers appropriate. Equinox Gold has made certain assumptions with respect to, among other things, the anticipated completion of the transaction. Readers are cautioned not to place undue reliance on forward-looking statements, as there can be no assurance that the future circumstances, outcomes or results anticipated or implied by such forward-looking statements will occur, or that plans, intentions or expectations upon which the forward-looking statements are based will occur. Their nature, forward-looking statements involve known and unknown risks and uncertainties and other factors that could cause actual results to differ materially from those contemplated by such statements. Factors that could cause such differences include, but are not limited to, conditions precedent or approvals required for the transaction not being obtained. For a further description of these and other factors that could cause actual results to differ materially from the forward-looking statements included in this news release, see the risks outlined in the Management Information Circular and other risks as described from time to time in the reports and disclosure documents filed by Equinox Gold with the Canadian securities regulatory agencies and commissions.